Davido takes second COVID-19 test and gives updates on Chioma's health. Also, Burna Boy finally reveals how he felt after losing the Grammy Awards. In another segment of the news, late Kobe's Bryant tour was sold for 12 million naira. Wow! You'll find out the buyer in the video. But before I go for that, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel as you're here for the first time. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button that is down there and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you get more videos whenever I post them. Thanks for subscribing and let's get back into the video. Man slaps a soldier for punishing him amidst coronavirus lockdown. A video which has gone viral on social media captured the moment an unidentified man slapped a soldier for flogging him while being punished. Though, why the man and two others were punished by the soldier is still unclear. He, however, took to his heels after the soldier cocked his gun and pushed back when he was slapped. It was disclosed that the incident occurred in Old Tafo 3 Miles G Junction, a suburb of Kumasi, amid a coronavirus lockdown. Well, here's a video clip of it.
Mami drop him on WhatsApp. Hey.
What do you think will happen to this young man? Do you think the soldier is going to shoot this gun or what? What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below. Let us know what you think will happen to this young man. Let us know if he's going to be killed, if he's going to be beaten, or I don't know. Just let us know your thoughts about these whole incidents in the comment section below. Still on the news, Davido takes second COVID-19 test, finally reveals Chioma's current state of health after testing positive. Nigerian singer Davido has revealed the health status of his fiancée, Chioma Roland, who tested positive to coronavirus last week. Recall the singer announced Chioma had contracted the deadly disease during her recent trip to the United Kingdom. Taking to his Twitter page to reply a concerned fan who asked him about the well-being of Chioma, Davido said she is yet to show any symptoms of the virus since she tested positive. He wrote, "She hasn't shown any symptoms till now. She's perfectly fine." Davido also revealed that he had undergone a second test and it came out negative. "I did a second test for the COVID-19 virus. Once again, I'm negative," Davido said. The singer, who has stepped up a hybrid role of a mother and father since his fiancée tested positive for the deadly virus, took to his page a few days ago to share a lovely photo of himself rocking his beautiful son to sleep. Well, this is new. Do you think Davido is the antidote to this virus? Most of y'all have watched Maze Runner, just like how the main actor there was the antidote. Do you think Davido is the antidote to this virus? Let us hear your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to say a prayer for Chioma as you continue to watch this video. Burna Boy reveals he felt totally sick when he lost at the 62nd Grammy Awards. Burna Boy has said he felt totally sick when he lost at the 62nd Grammy Awards. The singer, whose birth name is Damidin Ogulu, was nominated in the Best World Music Album category with his groundbreaking record, African Giant. However, he lost to Beninese singer-songwriter Angelique Kidjo. He opened up about how losing made him feel on Twitter. A follower asked, "Burna Boy, how did you feel losing the Grammy?" And Burna replied, "Sick, totally sick." He added, "But my musical mother at Angelique Kidjo told me everything I needed to understand about the Grammys. So now I am twice as tall." Well, here is a tweet of his. Let us hear your thoughts in the comment section below about Burna Boy losing this Grammy Award. Do you think he's going to be nominated again? Do you think he's going to win a Grammy Award? Let us hear your answer in the comment section below. Still on the news, Davido replies Twitter user who trolled him. Nigerian singer Davido might not be having his best days currently, as his fiancée is down with COVID-19 and has been enjoined to redo his coronavirus test, which he earlier revealed came out negative. Though he might not be having his best times, he however hasn't lost his savage mode, and he confirms this after a follower of his decided to troll him on Twitter, an action the follower would later regret after the singer responded. So, following the heated up session Nigerian producers Saz and Shizzy had about 2 nights ago that went viral on social media, singing sensation and record label boss Davido decided to throw a challenge to any record label to engage in a battle akin to that of the producers. The If crooner tweeted that he's waiting for any record label to challenge him and his crew. This fact caused a follower to suggest that the singer might be tense. This didn't go down well with Davido, and this prompted him to lash out on Twitter. Well, let's hear what he had to say. Well, here are his tweets. DMW versus any current label tonight on at Iku Official, live 10 p.m. Niger time. Offer is on the table, we waiting. Then a user replied, my nigga is tensioned. Damn, that got Davido mad, and he replied, like I said, we're waiting. By the way, your tongue looks like it smells of gutter. Damn, it came so hard on him. Well, let us hear your thoughts in the comment section below about this. What do I have to say? Well, let's hear your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Still on the news, Nigerian man left confused after discovering pack of condoms in bag of innocent girl he just met. Wow. A Nigerian guy has been left in state of confusion after he discovered that the lady he deemed innocent might not be as innocent as he thought she was. The gentleman, who later resorted to telling the Twitter influencer, who had later shared it on his Instagram platform, his dilemma, explained that he just met this quite attractive lady and weeks after conversing, they met at his apartment. He stated that it was when she excused herself to use the toilet that he decided to do a quick cleanup of his room, and in course of that, he discovered that the bag was filled with packets of opened and unused condoms. He then took a photo of the bag with its contents before she came back, although he didn't engage in coitus that particular day. He shares his fears of an heartbreak after his discovery, which is why he seeks the opinion of others. His tweet reads, please guys, I need honest opinion on this. This guy saw some fire condoms in the bag of a girl who came to visit him, and now Baba dey fear say the girl too tear eye. What do you think? E no matter how e matter. Kindly retweet so we can get many response, I beg. Wow. Wow. It is written that do not judge a book by its cover. Well, let us hear your thoughts in the comment section below regarding this issue. Do you think the guy should continue dating the girl or he should dump her? What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below. Late Kobe Bryant's towel sold for 12 million naira. Late basketball legend Kobe Bryant's towel has been sold for over $33,000. That is a total of 12 million naira in Nigerian money at auction. Bryant wore the towel over his shoulders during his farewell speech after his final National Basketball League. With the towel draped around him to help him mop up his sweat, the Los Angeles Lakers superstar closed the speech with his signature phrase, "Mamba out." A fan got hold of the towel as Bryant walked off the court at the time. It was then sold several times before the latest online auction. The winning bid on Sunday was $33,077. The buyer also received 2 used tickets to the April 13, 2016 Lakers game. Bryant scored 60 points in the Lakers' 101-96 win over the Utah Jazz that night. Speaking about that sale, Jeff Wolf, president of Iconic Auctions, told American news broadcaster CNN that the winning bidder is famous for having a large Lakers memorabilia collection. He is a devoted Lakers fan, Wolf said. His long-term plan is to create a museum in Southern California. Bryant died in January at the age of 41 in a helicopter crash near Los Angeles that killed 8 others, including his daughter, Gianna. Bryant played his entire 20-year NBA career with the Lakers. The superstar guard led the club to 5 NBA titles during his stay. He was an 18-time NBA All-Star and the 2008 NBA Most Valuable Player, and also helped the United States capture Olympic gold in 2008 at Beijing and 2012 in London. Wow! Such amount of money for just a towel. Who does that? Jeez! Well, there's just the comment section below. Still on the news, Yemi Alade slams Lagos government for giving 3 loaves of bread for a family of 6. Multi-talented Afro-pop singer Yemi Eberechi Alade has blasted the Lagos state government over the content and quality of the relief materials shared to the people of the state following the lockdown order by the federal government in order to contain the spread of coronavirus. Speaking via her official Twitter handle, the singer queried why a family of 6 would be given 3 loaves of bread and said politicians should remember they can't take all the funds they loot to heaven. Relief package: 3 loaves of bread for 6 families. The government should make sure they can take their money to heaven because this is so disappointing, she said. Wow. It is really bad. Well, let us hear your thoughts in the comment section below. I don't know what to say about the government, but this is a bad situation.